to the kelp forest, the maze of the Pacific Ocean.
Careful, Benji. It would be easy to get lost in here.
Yeah, that's why we need to stick close together. There's a lot of algae.
Algae? Like in our pond back home?
Exactly, just way bigger. Instead of living on the surface of the water, these algae grab on tight to the sea floor. And they have little balloons, like this, called bladders, which keep them floating upwards towards the sun.
Oh!
It also has lots of things hidden in it, like that otter and her pup. Yep, lots of animals and fish love this kelp forest. It's a perfect place for a game of hide and seek. Gabbering Garibaldis!
Benji, are you there?
Yep, I'm here. It must be a giant Pacific octopus. They squirt out ink clouds when they need to make a quick exit.
Where's it gone?
Probably down to the seafloor. It has all the best hiding spots. Going down.
No octopus.
Maybe it's near those spiky sea urchins over there.
That's a lot of sea urchins. They're eating the kelp.
Everything in the underwater forest is useful to something else down here. The sea urchins eat the kelp, but if there are too many urchins, they would eat up the whole forest. That's where the sea otter comes in. It eats urchins.
So the forest is kept for all the fish and other creatures to live in.
Exactly, including the giant Pacific octopus. It's very rare. That's why this habitat is so special.
That urchin looks pretty special too.
Sneaking cephalopods. I don't think that's a sea urchin at all.
Then what is it? It's the octopus!
It's changed its color to blend in with its surroundings. Octopuses